All right, first we will try to complete the 23 and 25, okay, and then we will see, discuss the even number doubts, okay. This question is tan inverse 4 by 1 plus 3 into 4 plus tan inverse 6 by 1 plus 8 into 9 plus tan inverse 8 by 1 plus 15 into 60, so on. They want up to infinite terms. Forever means they want up to infinite terms. I said, whenever they want up to infinite terms, we will find only up to n terms and then apply limit n tends to infinity. Okay. Here 4 minus 3 is 1. Denominator looks like 1 plus ab here, 1 plus ab here, 1 plus ab. But the numerator is not a minus b. Okay. 4 minus 3 is not 4, 9 minus 8 is not 6, 16 minus 15. So it is not that it is in the form of a minus b by 1 plus ab directly. Okay. I guess they should have given some more details. It's okay. Let us find what is the nth term. Anybody want to give me some idea about what will be the nth term? Anybody noticed any pattern here?
Sir, the first term can be written as 6 minus 2 divided by 1 plus 6 into 2.
Okay.
The second term can be written as 12 minus 6 divided by 1 plus 12 into 6.
Okay. So you want to rearrange this. Okay, that's fine. Can you directly tell me what will be the nth term? Yeah, instead of taking 3 into 4, you can write 12 and then write 6 into 2. Take 72 and then write 12 into 6. I'm sure this also can be done something. I think we can notice a pattern. This is 2 times 2. This is 2 times 3. This is 2 times 4. This is 2 square. This is 3 square. This is 4 square. And this is 1 less than that. Okay. Maybe it is that. So don't write till we complete. I think nth term. Okay, will be, or let me write kth term. Tan inverse 2 times k. No, 2 times k plus 1. Because 2 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. 1 plus this 4, 9, 16 are perfect squares. So I can write 2 square, 3 square, 4 square like that, and plus 1 whole square. And this is 1 less than that. And plus 1 whole square minus 1. So when I can write k. K plus 1 whole square, and this is k plus 1 whole square minus 1. They did not give the next term, but let us try to guess what is the next term. Anybody want to say what is going to be the next term?
Ten by 1 plus 24 into 25.
Yeah, 24 into 25. Yes. So, okay, now coming to this, tan inverse 2k plus 2 by 1 plus, this is a square minus b square. I can write a plus b into a minus b. That is k plus 2 into k into this is k plus 1 whole square. Tan inverse. How should I write this? A product of two things whose difference is 2k plus 2. We have to look at that. Okay. Two k plus 2 by 1 plus. I can take k plus 2 into k plus 1 as one thing, and k into k plus 1 as one thing. I can take k plus 1 common. Yeah, but the better is I will write this 2 into k plus 1. This 2 here, I am going to write k plus 2 minus 2 minus k. Now we can see This into this into this. That product is only this. When you open it, what become? K plus 1 into K plus 2 minus K plus 1 into K. Now it looks like this is like A, this is like B. Tan inverse A minus B by 1 plus AB. Is it okay? Okay, so this is not as easy as one or two few questions that were done in mains. Okay, there were somewhat easier to notice the nth term maybe. Okay, but here first of all you have to understand the pattern. Even if somebody write tan inverse 6 minus tan inverse 2 and then tan inverse 12 minus tan inverse 6, still you have to find what is the pattern further. Okay, so I think you can still now write it. It came all right. Now the question is actually the given question is. We'll call this is Sn first of all, and then we'll find. Okay, this is I'll write Sn up to n terms only. Up to n terms. So now Sn can be written as sigma k equal to 1 to n. You take kth term and you add up to 1 to n. First of all, before this, I didn't let me write this. Let me write it. Okay. Sn is sigma k equal to 1 to n. This only. Can as well, just to save the place. Sn equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n tk, which is kth term is this sigma k equal to 1 to n this, which is sigma k equal to 1 to n tan inverse k plus 1 into k plus 2 minus tan inverse k plus 1 into k. Tan inverse A minus tan inverse. Now put k equal to 1, k equal to 2, so on. When you put k equal to 1, it is tan inverse 2 into 3 minus tan inverse 2 into 1. Plus when I put k equal to 2, it is tan inverse 3 into 4. And this is tan inverse 2 into 3. And I put k equal to 2. This is smaller number, this is bigger number. This also let me write k into k plus 1. 1 into 2. Okay, next one will be tan inverse 4 into 5. And here tan inverse 3 into 4. And lastly, you'll get tan inverse n plus 1 into n plus 2 minus tan inverse n into n plus 1. So now when you add all these things, you can easily see all these things are getting cancelled. We are left with tan inverse n plus 1 into n plus 2 minus tan inverse 2. Okay, this is up to n terms. If they want up to 10 terms or 20 terms or 30 terms, we can do this. I can even combine these two back if required, but I don't have to do that right now. And if you want infinity, apply limit. Okay, Sn is equal to limit n tends to S infinity. Limit n tends to infinity Sn. And when I apply this, look infinity, and tan inverse infinity is pi by 2 minus tan inverse 2. So we should not forget about this pi by 2, because somebody directly done up to infinity, they will think all will cancel, will be left with this, and this may be 0 or something they may feel. But this is becoming pi by 2. So you can leave it here, or you can write cot inverse 2. This is cot inverse 2. Pi by 2 minus tan inverse 2 is cot inverse 2. Okay. Anybody any objection to this or any doubt?
Sir, how it is becoming pi by 2?
When, for the simple reason that limit x tends to infinity, tan inverse x is equal to pi by 2. When x is tending to infinity, tan inverse x will tend to pi by 2. Is that okay?
Yes, sir. I got it. Yes, sir. Yes.
Even the graph of tan inverse x is like this. When x is becoming infinity, tan inverse x is touching that pi equal to pi by 2 line. Or normally we know x is tending to 90 degrees, tan will tend to, sorry, when x is tending to 90 degrees, tan will
Yes,
tend
sir.
to
Yes,
infinity.
sir.
Okay, those who completed can think about 25, what to do.
Sir,
Yes, please.
left side down, how did you cancel here? You apply formula.
No, no, no. After writing all these things, you can see these two are same, right?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
These two are same. If I would have written next one, this and this will be same. If the previous one would have been
Yes,
there, this and this are same. It will be left with first negative and last first.
yes, sir.
Sir, second step, which formula used, sir?
Is it from here to here or from here to here? What are you asking?
Sir, first step.
First step we did not do, that means we understood the pattern. Okay. We understood that this 4 is 2 times 2. This 6 is 2 times 3. This 8 is 2 times 4. This is not there in the question we wrote, 2 times 5. Okay, so with 2, 3, 4, 5. First term has 2 here, second term has 3, third term has 4, and fourth term has 5. I'm sure nth term will have n plus 1, or kth term will have k plus 1. Or you can even use arithmetic progression. 2, 3, 4, 5 are in AP. When you try to find the kth term, it becomes k plus 1. Next, we also notice
Yes,
whatever
sir.
number here, square here, whatever number here, square here, whatever number here, square here. Because here k plus 1, here k plus 1 whole square. 1 less than that is here. For 4, 1 less than 3. For 9, 1 less than 8. For 16, 1 less than.
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. Others can try 25.
Sir,
Yes, please.
SN, what did you write, sir?
Sn, Sn equal to sigma k equal to 1 to n tk, kth term.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to erase this some part.
The down part will use, sir.
Okay. Okay, if your meeting ends, please rejoin everybody with the same link.
Completed.
Okay. This they gave in terms of cot inverse, but I am taking reciprocals in terms of tan. So tan inverse 2 by 9 plus tan inverse 4 by 33 plus tan inverse 8 by 129 plus tan inverse 16 by 513. Okay. So if you look at 2, 4, 8, 16, I even gave 32. I did not write it. So let me write. 32 by 2049. Okay, anybody find, if you only find numerators, what will you think the kth term will be?
2 power n plus 1.
2 power n.
Tan inverse 2 power k itself, right? 2 power
N,
1,
sir.
2 square, 2. That only. I am taking kth term, so 2 power k I wrote. If I
So
take
it
nth
should,
term, what happened?
sir, it should be k plus 1, no, sir.
Why? If you want first term, are you writing 2 or 2 square?
So for 2 power k for first. Okay. Yeah. I thought k should be 0.
Okay. Coming to this 9, actually you can write 9 as 1 plus 8. This 33, you can write 1 plus 32. 129, you can write 1 plus 128. This is 1 plus 512. This is 1 plus 1048. 8, 32, 128. What do you think they are? This is 2 cube. This is 2 power 5. Okay. 8 is
2 to
2
the power k
cube.
plus
2 power 5, 2 power 7, 2 power 9, 2 power 11.
Or k plus
Sir,
2k plus 1.
It
Sir.
is not k plus 1. Yes, please.
sir, we can write those expressions as 4 minus 2 by 1 plus 4 into 2 and
Yes, yes.
8 minus
Yeah,
4 by 1 plus 8 into 4.
Yes, correct. We are going to write that. Basically, this is 4 into 2, this is 4 minus 2, this is 8 into 4, 8 minus 4, this is 16 into 8, 16 minus 8, like that. But we are writing the general term. Yes, instead of writing the kth term, each term you write it as a minus b by 1 plus ab also, you'll be getting an idea what are those things also. Okay. But anyway, 8 is 2 cube, 32 is 2 power 5, 128 is 2 power 7, 512 is 2 power 9. If you observe this 3, 5, 7, 9, they are odd numbers. And the first number is 3, not 1. It is 2k plus 1. Okay, in this AP. If you take 3, 5, 7, 9, in that, what is the kth term? It is 2k plus 1, or nth term is 2n plus 1. So I'm going to write 1 plus 2 power 2k plus 1. Okay, so those are copying, they can write this, or they can even write 2 cube here and things like that also if they want to. Now, how to write it is tan inverse. This 2 power k minus 1, 2 power k, I'll multiply through 2 minus 1. It's after all 1 only, not an issue. This I can write 2 power k into 2 power k plus 1, which is tan inverse. This into this is 2 power k plus 1. This is 2 power k by 1 plus 2 power k into 2 power k plus 1. It looks like tan inverse a minus b by 1 plus ab. Okay, which is tan inverse 2 power k plus 1 minus tan inverse 2 power k. Without writing kth term and doing all that, you can also write it as difference of two things. In that, you will find a pattern. You will know what is the nth term also. Okay, now the question, this is Sn basically. The question, they want up to infinity here also? Yes. But let us try to find Sn is sigma k equal to 1 to n tk, which is sigma k equal to 1 to n tan inverse 2 power k plus 1 minus tan inverse 2 power k. That is tan inverse 4 minus tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 8 minus tan inverse 4 plus tan inverse 16 minus tan inverse 8 plus tan inverse 32 minus tan inverse 16. Can write further. This is tan inverse 2 power n plus 1 minus tan inverse 2 power n. When you add, all these will cancel. You will be left with this and this. That is tan inverse 2 power n plus 1 minus tan inverse 2. Finally, it is same answer. Question is different, but answer is same. This is also becoming pi by 2 because when n is becoming infinity, this is becoming infinity, tan as infinity is pi by 2. So as infinity is limit n tends to infinity Sn, which is pi by 2 minus tan inverse 2, which is again cot inverse 2. Anybody tried 22 or 24 before?
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, I have done 25th one as cot inverse 4 into 2 plus 1 by 4 minus 2. Like that I have done, sir, but I am getting
Yeah.
minus cot inverse 2.
No, no, no. You are getting cot inverse 2 minus 0, which is cot inverse 2. Why? You have to be a little careful with that formula. Cot inverse AB plus 1 by A minus B is not cot inverse A minus cot inverse B. Cot inverse B minus cot inverse A.
So, yes, sir.
Yeah. And you also have to recognize cot inverse infinity. That is, when something is tending to infinity, cot inverse of that will tend to 0.
0.
Yes. Okay. Personally, the many even number questions have very good questions are there. Some of them. Okay. I want to discuss all the even numbers provided if somebody really tried and they have doubt. Okay. So I want to do something different now. That is, I want to start hyperbolic functions. Give another day if somebody has any backlogs to complete. But I wanted to try sincerely all the even number questions, and then I'll discuss maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Then I'm
sir.
going to start hyperbolic functions now. Okay.
Sir, what, sir?
Hyperbolic functions I'll start now.
Yes, sir.
Okay.